Hey everyone, welcome to our video Kerala PSC exam preparation for junior clerk or cashier. Let's start with the questions. If you score more than 20, don't hesitate to comment your score.
Which cooperative congress gave shape to the ICA? Paris Congress, London Congress, Manchester, Rochdale Congress. Answer is London Congress. A monopolistic competition is characterized by large number of buyers and sellers, differentiated products, both A and B, none of these. Answer is both A and B. Subordinate training centers are controlled by in Kerala. CCU, SCUR, NCUI none. Answer is SCUR. What relationship is created when the bank collects a check in clearing? Holder for value, collecting bank and holder, agent and principal, clearing member and principal. Answer is collecting bank and holder. INDUSCO is related to cooperative movement in Russia, Sweden, China none. Answer is China. The three-tier cooperative credit structure coordinated by NAFSCOB from base to apex is its answer is PA, ACS, DCCB. Attached movable properties of a defaulter can be sold through public auction after how many days? 10, 15, 20, 30. Answer is 15. Which of the following terms is used in banking field? Input devices, interest rate swap, sedimentary 0R. Answer is interest rate swap. At the time of winding up of a cooperative society, the reserve fund of that society shall be utilized first for meeting the debts of creditors, financing bank, shareholders, government. Answer is government. The objectives of KYC are to ensure that he or she would not deceive the bank, to ensure appropriate customer identification, to monitor transactions of suspicious nature, only B and C. Answer is only B and C. What type of society is RAIDCO?
Primary Society, Federal Society, Producer Company, Apex Processing Society.
Answer is Federal Society. Owen did not invent cooperation, but he was the inspiration behind the cooperative movement. Whose statement is this? H. Calvert, Gandhiji, C. R. Fay, Nehru. Answer is C. R. Fay. The government nominee of an apex society may tender his resignation letter to Government, Registrar, Managing Committee of the Society, President of the Society. Answer is President of the Society. Which is the oldest functioning joint stock bank in India? Bank of Upper India, Allahabad Bank, Punjab National Bank, none of the above. Answer is Allahabad Bank. Chief Executive of Housefed. Managing Director, Secretary General Manager, President. Answer is Managing Director. Pick the correct statement from the following. SLR is lower than CRR. RBI started functioning from 1st April 1934. Notes in denominations of rupee 1 to rupees 1000 are issued by RBI. A decrease in bank rate is likely to lead to a decrease in interest rates of banks. Answer is a decrease in bank rate is likely to lead to a decrease in interest rates of banks. Credit risk to the bank is high from the
Credit card holders, debit card holders, both the above, none of the above.
Answer is credit card holders. Accounting provides information on cost and income for managers, company's tax liability for a particular year, financial conditions of an institutions, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. In which country the cooperative law is not yet enunciated? Denmark, USA, Britain, India. Answer is Denmark. The outstanding personality of the France's cooperative movement. Wullenberg, Schulz Fourier, William King. Answer is Fourier. Who gave the call for Evergreen Revolution? Varghese Kurian, M.S. Swaminathan, B.R. Shenoy, Y.V. Reddy. Answer is M.S. Swaminathan. Wholesale banking refers to doing business with individuals, industrial and business entities, including government and public sector companies, only companies registered under Companies Act, large borrowers irrespective of their category. Answer is industrial and business entities, including government and public sector companies. AS6 refers to the accounting standard issued by the Accounting Standards Board of India for depreciation, fixed assets, investment valuation of inventory. Answer is depreciation. The balance of the fund flow statement is the increase or decrease of cash from operation, cash working capital, current assets. Answer is working capital. The Secretary of Cooperative Tribunal shall be under the control of Registrar, Government Court, Tribunal. Answer is Tribunal. Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act was enacted in the year 1975, 1980, 1982, 1984. Answer is 1984. Who who shall preside over the meeting of a society convened under Rule 43R to consider a non-confidence motion against the President. President, Vice President, the person authorized by the RCA, any one of the committee member who has signed the notice of intention to move a non-confidence motion. Answer is the person authorized by the RCS. Which of the following is used for international monetary transfer? RTGS, SWIFT, NEFT, none of these. Answer is SWIFT.
A record of important information gathered in connection with the conduct of an audit is
Audit program, audit notebook, audit working papers, none of these. Answer is audit notebook. An application to register as amendment of bylaws of a BACS shall be disposed of by the registrar within how many days from the date of receipt of the same? 60 days, 90 days, 3 months, 30 days. Answer is 90 days. That's it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more content. Good luck.